Saving that.
I love her.
Fucking saving that.
And Thomas over there.
Any of them have first aids? They're pushing up on us from the behind.
Fantastic.
They're crossing above you, maybe.
They can do what they want. I got a shotgun now.
Yeah, I did. Let's go upstairs.
You're just gonna wait for him?
That's over. Well,
You better open that door. Durables. Need
Smoke.
durables? Go.
One. Oh goodness. One shotgun shell left. GG.
Let's have the wraps in 5 stacks.
Yep.
We can leave them.
Fuck no. Shirky's dead. Hey, do you need first?
Yeah.
There you go.
What's you rocking right now?
Slur M4.
You need a 6x for that?
Fuck yeah.
Right here. Base of stairs.
You go the guy 5 stack.
You dropping it or are you just
I
playing?
put it at
with
the base of stairs. I said base of stairs, motherfucker.
Man, just drop it. What the fuck?
I don't want it to be in all the mess of all the other stuff. It's easy to see.
It's called scrolling.
Let's go murder things. Since I'm a M4 shotty.
Oh!
He's on the grass right there.
No way. He's just
Alright.
thrown on the wall. Two there?
Two of them, one behind the wall. He's at blue
On
now.
the wall.
Blue and wall. I'm cutting through.
Oh, reload.
Dead.
Huh. Damn. Good thing I reloaded, huh?
Yeah, probably.
I probably would have died, yeah. To the guy here.
Go next.
Huh. I probably scared the piss out of him, huh, Shirky?
Maybe.